All right, Chef Lauren Mulkey here with Planted Table, and I just cut open into two different avocados, and I realized one is good and one actually went a little rancid. So a trick to help you with that are two different things that you can do. This one I cut open. Clearly the pit came away from the meat, and of course it's got some brown spots on it, but the pit clearly came apart, and I actually smelled it and it smells green and fresh. This one's past its prime. The pit stuck with the rest of the avocado meat, and when you smell it, it smells like rancid, kind of stuffy, what I associate with stuffy olive oil when olive oil has gone bad. It's not fresh and green. So this one, even though it's kind of a little past its prime, it's not the most perfect avocado we can pick around the brown spots. But this one, we don't really have a chance for this. It has gone rancid. It has kind of a fermented smell, and the easiest way to tell is when you cut it open, you can actually smell the avocados. That's way you don't mess up your guacamole with a rancid avocado. This one I'm going to throw in my compost. It's going to be perfect. This one I'm going to scoop around and use for tacos.